Whether you're going boating, doing arts and crafts, or just trying to fasten something down securely, being able to tie knots is an important skill. One of the easiest kinds of knots is the overhand knot. To make one, create a loop in the middle of a line, such as a length of rope or string. Then, pull one of the ends of the line through the loop to make a pretzel shape. Pull on both ends of the line to tighten the knot. To make a knot at the end of a line, for example, if you want to attach something to a hitch or tow rope, a bowline knot is a good option. To start, make a loop close to the end of the line. Then pull the free end of the line through the loop from behind to create a second, larger loop. Next, pass the end of the line under the main length of the line and bring it back around again, so that it passes down through the original loop a second time. Pull both ends of the line to tighten the knot. For a quick and simple knot that's easy to untie, try a square knot. Grab an end of your line in each hand, then pass the right end over the left to create an X. Take the end that is now in your left hand and wrap it under and around the end in your right hand to make a half knot, just like when you're tying your shoe. Next, cross the ends of the rope over each other again to make another X above the first one, and then wrap one end around the other to make a second half knot. Pull on all 4 lines coming out of the knot to tighten it. If you need to tie 2 lines together, opt for a sheep bend knot. To do this, fold the end of one line to create a loop, and hold the loop in place with your hand. Pull the end of the second line through the loop you just made, then wrap the end of the line around the bottom of the loop. Pass the end of the second line back through the loop in the first rope, then pull the end under the part of the second rope where it originally entered the loop. Pull both ropes in opposite directions to tighten the knot.